Hey, I'm Vitana, the Web Tech Whiz, and this video I'm going to show you how you can use Constant Contact's social posting tool to post to your social channels. So I'm in my Constant Contact account here. You go to social, and here because I'm already connected to all my accounts, you can see a quick summary of all the different messages that I've had. That's my inbox, and got posts. We can see all the posts that I've done, and there's also analytics, something I need to fix here, and on the accounts here's all the different accounts that you can be connected to. So to create a post, I just go into create. I've got a choice of social posts and ads. You can also do ads, but I'm going to show you social posts, and here I can select a profile. So this particular one I'm going to post to my Instagram account. You can choose several, so in fact that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to choose my Facebook one and LinkedIn. I'm not going to bother with Twitter at the moment because I'm not very active on Twitter at the moment. So then I can, the content is actually here. I've created that already, so I'm just going to paste that in here. And then I'm going to add an image, and so I go into upload. I've created my image already here, and upload. That's done, so I hit done. It should appear here, so I can now select this and insert. So now that is the image. I could add more if I wanted to, and it gives me a little preview here. So this is what's going to be posted on all channels, but in actual fact I can create variations if I wanted to. So let's create variations. So now I've got one for Instagram, one for Facebook, you can see it pops up here, one for LinkedIn here as well. So I could, if I wanted to change the content of that, I can just draw this down here and make edits to this to suit those different channels. For this particular one, I'm going to leave it as it is for all of them, and then I can either post it straight away now, or I can schedule for later by toggling this thing here. And I can select a date, I can select a time. So let's say it's now 3 o'clock. Let me do this at 3:30, and that's it, all done. I can either save the draft or I can go ahead and schedule posts. So now I can actually go ahead and it will schedule this one. This is going to happen if I go back to social. Okay, so once I've scheduled that one, I can go ahead and create another one and create a social post exactly the same way I've done before, and I could schedule a whole week or a whole month ahead, whatever I want to do. But one last thing that I want to show you is if you are posting lots, you may lose track of what have you done, what's scheduled to go. So this is how you can find out. If you go back into campaigns, then you have this calendar view here. So oops, if you click calendar view, then you can see everything that is scheduled, including your email campaigns, landing pages, and your social campaigns. So it gives you a key here, so you can just see what you have what's drafted to go. These are some email campaigns that I've got. You can actually unfilter these and take off, so that you can just see what social campaigns. I think because the 3:30 has now passed, that's why it's not showing as scheduled. But if I take this off and maybe show active, or no, done, I think it needs to be done, then it will show my social posts that have been posted, my social campaigns. So that was one I did on Tuesday. Here's one that's been done now. If I could schedule a whole load, and it will show me all of those in this calendar. So there you go. That is how you can use Constant Contact to schedule all your social posts from just one platform instead of having to logging in and logging out of various different ones. And you can see exactly what you've got scheduled. Now, if you want to take up a trial of Constant Contact, you can get a 60-day trial if you use my referral link, and I'll give that in the comments in the bottom here. And if you do take up that trial and then want to go ahead with it, you can also get a discount code from me that'll give you 30% off your first 3 months. And as long as you've used that referral link, you can contact me and I will give you that code. Okay, thank you very much. Hope that's helpful.